Hello everyone. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, an initiative by Army Welfare Education Society on the occasion of Platinum Jubilee of India's independence. We are going to have today a quiz for senior classes from class 9 to 12. The theme of the quiz is Role of Gandhiji in our national movement. And your quiz anchor, host and dost is Dr. C.V. Pandey. Now, before we start, we must have gone through the rules and regulations of the quiz. This quiz consists of 20 questions. The answers are to be given via a link attached in the Google Forms we will share. This is a one-round online quiz. The top 8 participants shall receive appreciation certificate and the top 3 shall be declared winners. All attending participants shall receive participation certificates even on their email ID. Use of any search engine is strictly prohibited. Be careful. Now be ready. Tie your belts properly. The quiz is going to take off. The first question is, which historian has remarked about Gandhiji that South Africa was the making of the Mahatma? I am repeating the question. Which historian has remarked about Gandhiji that South Africa was the making of the Mahatma? He was a Indian historian. Now come to the next question. This is a star mark question which will be crucial for finalizing the result. Find the connection between these three personalities. You know the first one is the Gandhiji, and you have to write the name of the other two personality also. You have to find the connections. What is the connection between these three famous persons? You have to write the name of other two personality than Gandhiji. Okay, now come to the question number 3. It's an easy one as well as the tricky one. Find the connection. If you know the person, both the person, you can easily answer. Find the connection. What are the connection between these two Indian personalities? The famous one. It's a tricky one. Now come to the question number 4. First major public appearance of Gandhiji in India, at which event or occasion? The question is, for the first time Gandhiji had a major public appearance on an occasion or an event. You have to write the name of the occasion or the event in which he was appeared publicly. Okay, now come to the next question. Question number 6. It's again star mark question. Non-cooperation. You know about the non-cooperation movement. It was the first mass movement launched by Gandhiji. Became the name of an epoch in the life of India and of Gandhiji. This non-cooperation movement was definitely an epoch in the life of India as well as Gandhiji also. So non-cooperation was negative enough to be peaceful but positive enough to be effective. It is a statement. It entailed denial, renunciations and self-discipline. It was training for the self-rule. Which American biographer wrote this? You have to write the name of biographer who wrote about the non-cooperation movement, how it was a landmark in the life of India as well as Gandhiji. Okay, now come to the question number 7. Question 7: which national event in political life of Gandhiji was covered for the first time by the American news magazine Time? It means the Time magazine has covered for the first time an event started by Gandhiji. It was a national event. It was a part of our freedom struggle. So you have to write the name of that event, that part of freedom struggle, which was covered for the first time by an international media, then American magazine, news magazine Time. Now come to the next question. Question number 8. It's a very interesting one. We know Gandhiji wear a simple lion dhoti. He lived like a common man, and this was the strength of this man. But somebody used this dress to demean him. So you have to uh, find out the person who called Mahatma Gandhi as a fakir. Who called Mahatma Gandhi as a half-naked fakir. Okay, it's an easy one. If you are aware, it's an easy one. It's a popular one also. Come to the question number 9. Who was the first Satyagrahi? Again, it's an easy one and popular one. Who was the first Satyagrahi selected by Gandhiji to conduct individual Satyagraha during Second World War? Actually, Gandhiji was against the Hitler. He does not want to give any harm to the allies which was formed against Hitler. So he decided to launch individual Satyagraha during this world event, Second World War. So whom he selected first to conduct individual Satyagraha? He selected so many Satyagrahi, but whom he selected the first Satyagrahi? Okay, now come to the, it's a easy one. Then that Satyagrahi is attached with the famous movement in India in post-independence era. Now come to the question number 10. On the day of independence, we know on 15th August 1947, everybody was involved in celebrating our independence. But instead of participating in independence celebration, Gandhiji was not present at Delhi. Instead, he was present in another city where he observed 24-hour fast for communal peace and harmony. So you have to write the name of the city where Gandhiji was present on the day of independence and observing 24-hour fast for communal peace and harmony among the Hindus and Muslims especially. Okay. Now come to the next question. Question number 11. At the beginning of August Revolution, you are aware about the August Revolution? Gandhiji gave which two slogans as the battle cries for the participants? Those two slogans became the battle cries for the participants. So you have to write the name of those two slogans given by Gandhiji on the occasion of August Revolution, which was an event oftenly called as August Revolution. come to the question number 12. Gandhiji's wife, we know, died earlier. Gandhiji's wife died in 1944. When she died, he was imprisoned at that time at which place? Where he was imprisoned? You have to write the name of the place where he was imprisoned. Okay? When Gandhiji's wife died, he was imprisoned at which place? It was in India. Okay? Now come to the question number 30. In which year? It's again interesting question. In which year Gandhiji became the first and the only Indian so far at that time, so far, who has been distinguished with the Time Person of the Year title? The Time magazine has called him in that year Time Person of the Year title. He was awarded with the Time Person of the Year by the American news magazine Time. So you have to write the name of the year in which Gandhiji was titled as the Time Person of the Year. Okay? Now come to the next question. Question number 14. We know about this event, and this in 2006 the Nobel Prize Committee publicly admitted its regret at having never honored him with the award. The Nobel Prize Committee finally in the year 2006 publicly regretted that it failed to honor Gandhiji by the award. Now the question is, how many times Gandhiji was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize? Okay? And one final time when he was nominated for the Peace Prize, that year the committee denied and even did not find other person suitable to award this Nobel Peace Prize in that year. So you have to write the how many times Gandhiji was nominated for Nobel Peace Prize. Now come to the question number 15. We know before entering the freedom struggle of India, Gandhiji visited South Africa for the first time, where he felt the wrath of racial discrimination. We all are aware. When he visited South Africa, the South Africa was at that time under the control of British and one more group, one more nationalities, the Boers. Now you have to write about the Boers who belong to which country. These Boers belong to which country? At that time when he visited to South Africa, this South Africa was under control of two white people, one from the Britain and the others are Boers. You have to write the name of the country to which the Boers belong. Okay, now come to the next question number 16. Time magazine compared the martyrdom of Gandhiji to that of which president of America? The Time magazine compared martyrdom of Gandhiji. He was assassinated in 1948. So that magazine compared the martyrdom of Gandhiji with the martyrdom of an American president. You have to write the name of that president of America whom Time magazine compared with Gandhi. Okay, now number 17. It's again star mark question. The effect of the fast by Gandhiji was electric. It was written by Maulana Azad. He further wrote, people began realizing the folly of the pogrom they had unleashed on the city. He was talking about the Delhi. City is Muslim, but it was only Gandhiji's dash 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 that finally ended this macabre drama of violence. You have to fill the blank. Fill in the blank. What happened that finally ended this macabre drama of violence? People began realizing that the folly of pogrom they had unleashed on the city's Muslims, but it was only Gandhiji's dash that finally ended this macabre drama of violence. You have to fill in the blank. Okay? Now come to the next question. It's a very tricky, interesting one, as well as reasoning based on. Now question number 18, easy one. Which international day is observed on the birthday of Gandhiji? We know about the day of birthday, 2nd October, it's a national holiday. But at the same time, an international day is observed on the birthday of Gandhiji. So you have to write the name of that international day which observed on his birthday. Okay? Now come to the next question. By 1930s, Gandhiji suggested which language ought to be a national language. In general, the Congress member believe that there should be a national language. So even Gandhiji as well as Congress agreed to use that language as a national language of India, which was a combination of Hindu and Muslims words, the words from north and south, which might be acceptable to everyone. However, we know that we haven't any national languages. Any national language we haven't today. But by the 1930s, Gandhiji suggested that a language ought to be a national language. So he was talking about which language. You have to write the name of that language. Okay. Now come to the next question. The last one, but the very important one. Again, it is a star mark question. Whom Gandhiji described as his conscience keeper and once as his only possible successor. Once Gandhiji described about a man as his conscience keeper and his only possible successor. We know in general that Nehru was successor of Gandhi. But there was a man whom Gandhiji described as his conscience keeper as well as his only possible successor. So you have to write the name of the person whom Gandhiji was talking about, describing about. So this way the quiz comes to an end. Thank you.